Welcome to YouGtech YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google Play Store on a Huawei Nova 7i operating on Android 10. Open the browser. Punch VMOS.com in the URL and search. Select the VMOS Pro download. It's downloading and quite big. We shall wait for it to finish downloading. Once done downloading, open to install. Click open, swipe to left. Enter VMOS Pro. One-click authorization. Click Setup now. Turn on Draw over other apps. Go back. Allow. Allow all time, allow, add ROM 7.164-bit, ROM installing. Here we are installing a new virtual Android environment with no restrictions on another host Android environment, which is Nova 7i. Remember to subscribe so that you can be part of the family. Once you are here, open VM settings, turn on Google services, confirm and complete. Now we need to restart the phone for the plugin installation to take effect. After restarting the phone, open VMOS Pro. Open VMOS Pro. Swipe up on the screen. Open Play Store. Sign in. Add account. Agree. And accept. For starters, let me install Gmail. As you can see, my Gmail is installing successfully. Let me also install YouTube, WhatsApp and Google Play services, since almost all these Google apps require the Google Play services for them to operate. go ahead and also install all the necessary Google apps. Remember, with the Play Store you can bring in any necessary app you want into the phone. Well, I think I need a new launcher. Let me install the Google Pixel launcher and make it default. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and if this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave your opinion in the comment section below.